Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day. So let's go and take a nice drive. It's beautiful weather down here, not too cold, and we are gonna go to a Dollar Tree and see what we can find. We're gonna go to two different ones because I know this first one is really good. So first up we have, of course, I want to look at the stickers. They are always so nice. I honestly don't need any more stickers, but sometimes you can't help it. Here are some new finds. These are great for centerpieces, decorating your home. And these are from last year. I remember these. I got a few last year for gift giving. Now these are new and I just think they're so beautiful. I know there is a store, HomeSense I believe, has the same ones, but they're bigger. This year we got the Christmas trees in pink, two different kinds, pink and I think red, but this location didn't have the red one. So let's see what else we can find. Oh, I was able to find these glasses, which I think are so cute. And it doesn't have to be for Valentine's Day only. You can actually use them for other occasions and definitely like photo shoots and stuff. And I love the cards here, these handmade looking cards. There's so many options, and I really do like when Dollar Tree has them for each season. So, something unique. I picked up a few to send to people in my life so they can get some nice happy mail. So, just check out the new designs they have. I've been to a few Dollar Trees, and a few of them have these chocolate covered pretzels have been sold out. It's a nice gift to give to the teacher. Um, but yeah, they sold out quickly. And I turned my head and we went straight to spring. So Dollar Tree has had a lot of bee themed items and sunflowers. I don't know if that's going to be the trend this year, but I'm seeing a lot of that. And these are really, really cute garden flags. And then, of course, we have your regular garden gloves. I don't know if these are the same styles as last year, but nonetheless, very cute. And then we turn the corner and we have all our garden supplies. Now, these are super, super cute and good value. I know for a fact that HomeSense has these and they're about 10 bucks. And these are $1.75. And then um, these used to be black, but these are brown. So I don't know if that's new. And then, of course, these cute spray bottles. They come in three different colors: yellow, orange, and blue. And for the plant mamas, I really should start planting some items. And I really should have bought this because if you have tropical plants, it's perfect for that. Now, these are new reusable bags. I haven't seen these designs before. It looks like these are spring 2025. And again, we have more bee themed items. We have these wind chimes. And if you're doing a bee theme for a bridal shower, baby shower, or whatever the case may be, this is a great centerpiece. You could put some beautiful sunflowers in there. I just have all these ideas in my head. And just a quick little St. Patrick's Day setup here. I didn't see much more than this, where they have some new socks. And I'm sure they'll probably have more of these designs. And I went over to the craft section real quick, and then I spotted these two new fabrics. Never seen them before, but absolutely beautiful. I really wish I knew how to sew, because then I would totally get that and create something so nice. These are the same prints as last year, so some fun summer prints, and then some blue and white prints as well. Occasionally, I'm able to find new hair pins, hair accessories. These ones were cute for Valentine's Day, the one with the hearts and then the jaw clip or claw clip, I should say. And of course, I'm going to go over to this sticker section. So we're just going to have some moments of silence for the sticker section because the stickers are just unmatched at Dollar Tree. And if you're going into scrapbooking this year, you don't necessarily need stickers, but the truth of the matter is you need stickers. So if you're into scrapbooking and you see stickers at Dollar Tree or you're looking for stickers at Dollar Tree, definitely check out the section because it's truly so nice. This is just an activity sheet here. And I just love going through this section. Now, if I was a teacher, I would have all the stickers, all the Bojangles. Now, do you know any teachers that shop here? Because I feel like it's such a good value. Now, if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. To all my followers, to all my new followers, I appreciate you. Now, if you enjoy this type of content, I would definitely love to have you here. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Leave a comment below on your thoughts on Dollar Tree and some of the great finds that you found for 2025. So we're just looking at some of the books. Now, if you're going to do scrapbooking, you could definitely get one of these books and start, scrapping booking on these pages. Again, these are perfect for scrapbooking and layering. Again, of course, baby stuff. Like there's literally so many options. And when you're comparing it to like places like Michael's, it's actually the best value in my opinion. And they have wood chip or wood laser cut appliques, and this one is perfect. These stamps, this is actually such a good price. When you're making gifts for people, you can make it so creative like this. So, and these hearts, again, these are not at every location. So you really have to keep your eye out. And these as well, add a little something to your crafts. And look at this. Like the possibilities are endless. So let's keep looking. Must admit, this is by far my favorite set of stickers. The plants, I don't know, they're just so nice. So I went over to the home decor section and I found a whole bunch of wall art. Like I was shocked. Like this is pretty on trend. Like very on trend. And $1.75 for these, you put like maybe 6 or 9 together and in a room. Oh my goodness, it would be beautiful. Even just one on a table, and layer it with other items. So well done. I have to say, so well done, Dollar Tree. They don't give nothing. Found these really cute Paul Frank socks. They came in 2 different kinds. I was with my friend and she picked up 2 for teachers. And these novelty socks. Now, these socks were $3. I was not impressed with that price, but whatever. Um, there's these NASA socks. There's 2 different kinds, and I picked up 2. Now, never seen these Cheerios and mini wheats in my life, but I just thought I would share it with you. The expiry date were good on them, so. And found this little disinfectant wipe, mini disinfectant wipe. You can attach it to your purse or backpack. And then Bowl Fresh. I don't know. It was just, they were just there together. These seem like to be a new line of bins. And I just like the color of the handles. And I've never seen these mats for dogs or animals to protect. So And also, I was shocked with this as well. Like, I couldn't believe it. Like, look at these dog toys. They're so cute. So, so cute. Such a good find. So many different styles. I couldn't believe that I was in Dollar Tree. Anyways, if you enjoy this type of content and you enjoy walkthroughs and looking at different, items in different stores, please stay around. I enjoy doing this. I have so much more time now, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.